Welcome to Junovy Office. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add comments to your documents, collaborate with your team, and manage feedback effectively. Let's start by opening a document in the document editor. Simply click on any document in your Junovy Cloud Storage to open it in Junovy Office. To add a comment, first select the text or area you want to comment on. Click and drag to highlight the section. Once you've made your selection, a dialog box appears. Click on the Comment button to add your feedback. Type your comment in the text field, and click Save when you're done. Now let's explore how to manage your comments. Navigate to the Review menu at the top of the screen. In the Comments section, you'll find options to show or hide comments, as well as toggle resolved comments on and off. This helps you focus on active feedback or review completed discussions. For more actions on individual comments, click on any comment to select it, then click the three dots menu icon to open additional options. From here, you can choose to modify your comment to edit the text or make updates. The Navigator provides a powerful way to view all comments in your document. Click Show in Navigator from the comment menu. The Navigator appears on the left side of your screen, displaying all comments and other document elements in an organized list. You can even search through comments here to quickly find specific feedback or discussions. Junovy Office supports threaded discussions. Let me show you how another team member can reply to a comment. Simply click on any existing comment, then click the Reply button to add your response. This creates a conversation thread, making collaboration seamless. And that's it. You now know how to add comments, manage feedback, and collaborate effectively in Junovy Office. Start using comments today to streamline your document collaboration. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating with Junovy Office.